Welcome back to another episode of Second Life Electronics. We're back on the workbench today trying to see if we can fix that laptop motherboard that has the battery connector ripped completely off the board. There's a lot of damage to the board, so I'm not holding out too much hope that we can get it repaired. But we're going to do a last ditch attempt. I've got some 0.4mm copper wire here, and we're going to see if we can make some new tracks with this. So let's get started on the video. Okay, so let's get the soldering iron on. And then I think the plan is going to be literally, I'm just going to see if on these tracks here, I suppose, would be the first ones to try it on, and just see if we can even get this to connect onto it. If we can get that soldered onto there, then we can hopefully then try and form a bit of a connection there. We're definitely going to need some flux. Where's the little bag go? Okay, let's use the other flux at the moment because I don't know where the little bag's gone at the moment. That's fine, we can use the no clean flux. First things first, let's see if we can get any solder to stick to those exposed traces. Try not to bridge them at all. Can't be bridged now. No. No, I can't get that to solder on. Let's give that a bit of a clean up around that area. I think it's just going to really fight us here. It's such a small area. We've definitely got some copper exposed there. Let's give it another bit of clean up. Just with some 99.9% pure IPA.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Let's some flux down. I don't think we can get solid tape to that at all. I'm trying to use some of my other flux. Let me try and find where the moles this is really. That's definitely far too much flux there now. Okay, that does look like there might is there some solder on it, or is that literally just where the flux is shining it up? Potentially. Even this 0.4 millimeter copper wire just looks too big. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get this copper wire to tin properly either. I just don't think that's going to... I think there's enough there to solder onto. I think this one might be a bust, guys. There's just so little there. I don't even think we'll be able to just solder the wires directly onto that. I think there's too much of it gone. So yeah, I think we're going to have to leave that there. I'm going to have to go back to the client, inform them unfortunately of the bad news, and go from there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.